Hello everybody and welcome to the next Explore Report. Oh, this one's going to be an interesting one. Basically because the thing that we visited back in early spring, where in the Pine Barrens you have these huge cutout letters that average 800 feet in length, we actually have an answer to that, and it's not as weird and mysterious as we're led to believe. So I'm going to show you a couple things on a computer. Here is what the letters look like from an aerial point of view. Now keep in mind, our drone is still working. It's just that I didn't bother to check to see if that was a drone friendly area, because there's actually an airport that is not too far away, and that airport is right over here. So yeah, there's a couple different letters. Hold on 1 second. So there's letters, so the letters consist of J, T, V, L, H, and O. And it looks like, from aerial photo point of view, it looks like there used to be an A at one time, but that's now skewed by the grid-like pattern. So this is what happened. So in 1963, I believe it was April, there were several major wildfires in the state of New Jersey. They actually dubbed it Black Saturday. It happened to be the worst recorded wildfire history in the state of New Jersey. Actually destroyed 4% of the state, which is a lot. So after that major wildfire in 1963, a project was initiated to try to help reduce wildfire occurrences from happening. So these letters are actually a part of a wildlife habitat improvement project. The letters and the grid-like pattern are actually rye fields. The idea behind that was to help the Pine Barrens by creating edge habitat. An edge habitat, I am reading, hold on. An edge habitat is where two cover types come together to create biodiversity for both plant and wildlife habitats. In this case, we have the rye strip fields and then the natural woodlands of the Pine Barrens. Strangely enough, someone came up with the idea of using lettered shapes, to monitor the progress throughout the years. Now, I did reach out to the Pineland Commission. Hold on. There will be an article on Jersey's Best about this, by the way. I just submitted it yesterday. Once that is out, I'll put a link to that article below. Because my question was, is the project still ongoing? Are they still monitoring the edge habitat? Because the letters, well, they still look like they're maintained. So I was curious to see if this project was still ongoing. But if there's an update to that, I'll put it in the description below. So yeah, edge habitat. That is the big mysterious thing. And you know, on the original video, a couple people posted really good possible explanations. So a couple of the comments were really good. Good. Yes, that is a cat meowing in the background, which is why I don't do the green screen too often. The Explorer reports. They tend to climb the green screen and tear it down, but that's neither here nor there. But anyway, so someone commented, I'll venture a guess, military flyby site markers combined with wildlife management crop fields. This maintains the letters of navigational markers while providing the crops. Gas. Could this be two government agencies working together? That was actually a really good really good guess. Another guess was abandoned cranberry bogs. There's actually a lot of cranberry bogs near that area. They just didn't know why they were in the shape of letters. So that was another good one. Quite a few mentioned wildfire management. A lot of fish and game comments, but yeah, it is a fish and game area. There's a lot of quail, deer back there. So this video isn't going to be very long. Thank you so much for watching this Explore report. Again, if the Pinelands Commission gets back to me on the progress of this project, if it's been positive or negative, or even if it's still ongoing, if they do get back to me, I will let everyone know in either the comments or the description below. So definitely check that out. Now, keep in mind that it is public lands, but it's hunting public lands. And if you do want to go check it out, I highly recommend that you wear orange. Orange is the color to wear when you go into hunting grounds. So thanks again, and see y'all later. Bye.